Hello everyone, I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Our students from CSE IoT Department.
Myself, Harini.
I am Aishwarya Devi.
Hi, sir.
Myself, Ashmita. And Ramshit.
Dear all, in this session we are going to discuss about case study and statistical quality control. Under that, we are going to see mean and range chart. Okay. Now you read the problem statement.
I explain about a problem statement. The given problem statement is the following data gives the average life in hours and range. In hours of 12 samples, we are taking the 12 samples in each of 5 lamps. Constructs X bar chart, that means mean chart, and range chart, R chart. Comment on the state of control. We have 12 samples and mean Xi bar is 120, 127, 152, 157, 160, 134, 137, 123, 140, 144, 120 and 127. The range is 30, 44, 60, 34, 38, 35, 45, 62, 39, 50, 35, 41.
Next you proceed.
So the question already have the given data. So the given data is 12. Next is n is nothing but the sample size is 5. So based on the sample size, we want to assign the values. So A2 is 0.5775 and D3 value has a no value. So we assign as a 0. So D4 value is at 2.115.
So which will be which will be written in the table. Okay.
Next we want to find the X bar chart. So already we have the mean values, then we want to find the average of mean. So X double bar is nothing but the average of mean 1 by n summation of Xi. So Xi values already we have in our question. So we want to assign the values 120 to 127. So we sum, then we want to divide the sum of the data. So we get the value 136.75. Next we want to find the range average. So in the range average we already have in the questions. Then we want to assign the sum of the range value, then it divided by the number of data. So we have the 12 data, then it divided by 12, we get the value 42.75. So after finding the mean average and range average, then we go to the control limits for X chart. So we have the formula. So control limit is formula is average of mean. So it's denoted as the X double bar. Already find it, so 136.75. So LCL is nothing but the lower control limit. So X double bar minus A2 R bar. So X double bar value is 136.75, A2 value is 0.5775, R bar is 42.75. So assign all the values, we get the values 112.1. So UCL is upper control limit. So our formula is X double bar plus A2 R bar. We assign all the values, we get the 161.44.
Good.
So now I am going to explain about the mean chart. See the example sample that there is up to 1 to 12. The mean X means for 1 there is an 120 to 120. Same like the 2 there is a 127 like. So 127 for 3 also 157 there is the mean X value. For same as for 4 also there is a given for 4 157. So same as for up to 12. And the conclusion is since all the sample points lies between the UC and LC lines, the product was same control. Thank you.
So the process is here the LCL line LCL is 112.5. So here we draw the LCL line. After that central line, then UCL line. So in this here this graph is lies between LCL and the UCL line. Okay. So that's why this process is under the control for mean chart. Okay.
So I am going to talk about R chart. So R chart means range chart. Control limit for R chart. CL means control limit is equal to R bar. Already we have given in question R values. So we need to take R bar. R bar is equal to 42.75. LCL means lower control limit is equal to D3 R bar is equal to 0. and UCL is equal to D4 R bar is equal to 19.41. So based on this, we need to draw a graphs.
I am going to explain about the range chart graph. We take an x-axis as sample number and we are going to take y-axis as range. So first, for first sample, the range is 30, so we plot. Then for the second sample, the range is 44. The third sample, the range is 60. Fourth sample, the range is 34. For fifth sample, the range is 38. For sixth sample, the range is 35. For seventh sample, the range is 45. For eighth sample, the range is 62. For ninth sample, the range is 39. For tenth sample, the range is 50. For 11th sample, the range is 35. For 12th sample, the range is 41. So after plotting the points, the points are lied between UCL and LCL. So the process is under control.
Good. Thank you all. Thank you for your good cooperation.